What's going on, everybody? My name is Lane, one of the trading analysts here at TradeUI, and I'm going to show you just how you can find bullish opportunities in bad market situations. So right now, if you're keeping up with the markets, you can see that the stock market has sold off previously a couple percentage points. I think we're trading around the 425 to 430 level on the S&P 500. So what that does for us is gives us an opportunity to buy the dip. But you might be asking, what do I buy to get the maximum returns? Or what do I buy to get the safest returns? Well, if you use TradeUI, we can identify just where the money's moving. So sit back, take some notes, and watch how we find a trade in a few seconds. So I already have the filter system set up when you log into TradeUI. I already have my option flow set at ask because that means they're buying the position. I'm focused on stocks. I want to see out the money contracts. My expiration is 6 months, so I want to see positions that are going to expire in 6 months. And my minimum premium is $300,000. This tells us that at the bare minimum, somebody is betting $300,000 that a contract, or I'm sorry, that a stock is going to go up in value over the next 6 months because these are out the money calls. We only worry about large premiums when it comes to this because you can see people throwing $10,000 bets all day long. Whenever those bets are like $300,000, $500,000, $1 million, it's serious. So let's look and see what's going on. AMD is the one that comes to mind. The reason AMD comes to mind is all I think is AI. The world's running on AI. Well, AI has a backbone, microchips, right? Imagine that AI is like cars on a highway. Now imagine AMD or all these other microchip companies, they're the ones who are the interstate, or they're the pavement of the road that the cars travel on. You can't have cars traveling on a highway without a highway, right? AMD is your highway. So that's why I was looking at AMD. I want to see the option contracts that came in today. Looks like we have a big bet right here targeting the $110 strike. So they're betting AMD is going to go from $97 to $110, which is a little bit over 13% over the next 52 days. This is almost a $600,000 bet. So let's look at the chart to see what we're talking about. So I already have the chart pulled up here, and as you can see, AMD has rallied like crazy the past few months, and it looks like it's selling off from that big rally. But what can we do? We see big money coming in, so it's potentially time for us to get on this rally here at AMD, and it looks like 120 is that first target, because if you follow this option flow, remember, it has a strike of 110, but if we go to auto charts, 110 right here. There's a lot of resistance right here at this 110 level and a little bit of support, previous support here. So that 110 is a very juicy level to target for a potential trade on this. The fact that you can make 13% in 2 months on one stock, that's great. The S&P 500, you expect to get what, 8 to 12% return a year just by buying that? Well, you can use TradeUI to make those returns once a month, a couple times a month. All you gotta do is be patient, wait for the right option flow to come in and take advantage. And that's the main thing, is being able to take advantage. And I have a deal that I want you to take advantage of right now, which is logging on to TradeUI. I'm gonna drop this link in the chat below. What it is a 7-day free trial that gives you access to TradeUI. Because what we want you to do is actually try out this system for yourself. That way you can see the power behind it and check out all the other videos we have on YouTube that shows you how to use it. It's more than just option flow. We also have stock insider information. We have flow and TA setups. We have different signals for our day traders that come up. We have a screener that identifies other aspects of the call premium and put premium that comes in when you trade these stocks. Take the time to dig into this material and understand how to use it. That way you can execute on it and really get the most bang for your buck. Because at the end of the day, guys, with a $5,000 account, even a $1,000 account, it only takes one winning trade to get your monthly fee back after you are an actual member. You can do the stocks plan for $45 a month, or you can do the trader plan for $75 a month. The trader plan right here covers everything that TradeUI has to offer, and later down the line you get the pro plan. Pro plan, whenever it comes out, will actually notify you through your phone that certain option activity has happened, so you don't have to have the laptop up. You can just set your filters here and it can pop up and tell you when a new position is active. But guys, you gotta try it for yourself to really understand how powerful this system is. That's why we want you to really focus on utilizing this 7-day trial and give yourself a trading edge. Guys, we're going to end the video here. I hope y'all have a great day.